Let's get down there. Here it goes. That was sweet. There's 5 more. Holy shit, dude. 4 more. I want you to go off at the same time. Come on. Fuck you. Oh fuck. You're all a fucking flamethrower. Holy shit. Is that all? Oh, there's like 2 more, dude. I'm staying back. The fire pit apart.
Oh, fuck. Oh.
We need more.
Oh, sweet. Dude, we should have a whole wheelbarrow. Oh my god.
Uh-oh. Here goes another.
Oh. Oh, man.
There's no flame near it. There it goes. Come on.
What's it doing? It's just like a flamethrower.
There's no flame at it, so it can't.
Oh, man.
Here goes. It's on fire.
What's it doing? I think the box just caught.
How many went off? 2 or like 3 or 4.
What's it doing?
On fire. 2-minute explosion so far. I wonder if this one blow up. I think it might be a spray thing.
Chemical fire. Maybe I'll check it out now.